Today I will explain about RVI indicator and how we will trade with this indicator. RVI indicator, that means relative vigor indicator, and it is a default indicator for every MT4 and MT5 indicator. Relative vigor index. Okay, now I am sure how this work. First, this is crossover and it is a signal. It is a zero line. This is the zero line. When this indicator above the zero line, that means it is oversold. Like oscillator, it is a kind of oscillator indicator like stochastic or RSI. When this indicator is below the zero line, that means it is overbought area. It is extreme overbought area, and it is extreme extreme overbought area, and it is extreme oversold area. Okay, now we show that this is in this area. It is a one cross. This is the one cross. It is a one cross, and every cross we can consider or we can mark as the entry point. From this above, it is sell entry point, 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 it is buy entry point, it is buy entry point, it is buy entry point, it is sell and buy entry point, it is sell entry point. So now we need to know the select which one is best for us for entry. Every entry point or every signal is not effective for us. We need to select which one is best for us. For this selection, we need to set another trending indicator like moving average. I will take for this 200 EMA. Okay, now I'm setting here 200 EMA moving average. Here on 200 moving average. This is a 200. This is a 200 moving average. Yellow line. Yellow line is a 200 moving average. All of we know that when price is above this moving average, that is uptrend, and when price is below the moving average, it is downtrend. In case of downtrend, we will take only sell entry, and in case of buy trend or uptrend, we will take only sell entry point. Sorry, when uptrend is uptrend, we will take only buy point from RVI indicator. So now we're searching the signal point. You can see here this is a sell signal point, this is a sell signal point, but we can see this is uptrend market. It is the price is above the EMA, so this is not valid, this is not valid, this is not valid, and this is valid, but it's not near the EMA. Always we take a buy trend when the price is near the 200 EMA. We also can take 100 EMA, no problem, but my preference is 200 EMA. When we chose the 200 EMA, signal may come less amount, but when you chose 100 EMA or 50 EMA, some more signal will come. Okay, So in this area or this is a good entry signal because market is oversold area and trend till now is up and price is above the 200 EMA. It is fantastic buy opportunity for us, but must we need to ignore this. Again, another entry point is here. Here is another entry point. Could we make any entry in this area for buy? No, because market is lower than the 200 EMA, so it is not valid. But it's another good entry point, sell signal. It is a good sell. From here we can make sell. It is a good sell entry point. Sell opportunity. Come here because market is overbought by RVI and trend is down. By this way, we can take entry and exit. When exit, it's easy. We can exit point near the support or resistance area or RVI when go to oversold or overbought area. Here is another sell signal. It's near the 200 EMA. So it is a good sell opportunity for us. It is good sell opportunity. Could we need this? Could we need to take this opportunity, sell opportunity? I think no, because it is very far from price and 200 EMA is very far from this area. We not to take this opportunity because 200 EMA is very far from the price. Um, Between price and 200 EMA line is very far. So when price and 200 EMA is very far, then we cannot take this entry. For take this entry, we must need to overbought or oversold area crossover, and price and 200 EMA is near or nearly close, but not far like this. We can search here another one entry point. It's a sell signal. This price is nearly 200 EMA, so we can make here a sell entry. Here is buy opportunity, but market is down, so it is not valid. It's not valid because price is up. Price is up. It's a good sign for buy entry position. It's a good sign for buy entry position. It's a buy area. Although it go to loss, no problem, but it's a valid signal for us. It's another good by area, but also this is a uptrend area, so we can make a buy from here because price is oversold and price is uptrend and price is above the 200 EMA line, so we can make here a buy where we make a stop loss just swing low point. It's a swing low point, we make a stop loss. Here we can make a buy. Which buy is most accurate? Most accurate buy more over salt area or find more over bought area. It's good point for entry or trigger area. By this way we can take opportunity to make profit from forex market. Today, goodbye. Happy trading for all.